So, this application will allow you to restrict users from particular manufacturing orders. For that, you need to go to manufacturing. We will create a new manufacturing order. You can see a new field over here called user restriction in manufacturing order. You can enable that so no user will be able to see this particular manufacturing order. Let's see how that works. I've enabled this field and let's confirm this. Now I will go to another user's account. I will go to manufacturing order. And you see I'm not able to see the number 9 manufacturing order that we just created. Now let's go back to that user. If I want specific users to see the specific manufacturing order, I need to add their names. So I want to mark to see this particular manufacturing order, hence I'm adding his name and I will save this. Now let's go to his account. You can see Mark is now able to see the manufacturing order that we currently created. If you do not want any user to see the manufacturing order that you created, you can always remove that particular user and enable the user restriction in manufacturing order. I hope this application will be useful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section and we will get back to you with your answer. If you like the video, do not forget to like the video and click on the like button and subscribe us for more Odoo related content. Until then, thank you.